Let's discuss about the morphology of flowering plants. Today I am going to discuss about the flowers. What are flowers? So the main components of flowers are swollen end of pedicel, which is called thalamus. Flowers can be of two types. One is the bisexual flower, another one is the unisexual flower. What do you understand by bisexual flowers? Flowers has both stamen and carpel are called bisexual flowers. What do you know about the unisexual flowers? Flowers having either stamen or carpel are known as unisexual flower.